Welcome to JH. Here are two simple methods to enable audio on your Acer monitor or computer. Initially, verify if your Acer display actually includes integrated speakers, as many versions lack them. If there is no audio, this is likely the cause. Inspect the rear of the unit for an audio port, often marked with a headphone icon or labeled Audio Out. Once located, you are ready to proceed. You can connect any external speaker using a standard 3.5mm AUX cable from brands like JBL, Bose, or Sony. Simply insert the cable into the monitor's output jack to receive sound immediately. Alternatively, connect USB-powered speakers to an available port. Afterward, access your Windows sound settings to ensure the correct output device is selected. For console gamers, a straightforward fix is plugging headphones directly into your Xbox or PlayStation controller. This provides instant audio regardless of your monitor's capabilities.